If you're like most homeowners, you've probably encountered the frustrating task of removing double-sided tapes. Whether it's from a calendar, a photo frame, or some other decoration, that sticky adhesive can be a real pain to get off without damaging the surface. But fear not. In this video, we'll explore several tried-and-true methods to help you remove double-sided tape without leaving any unsightly marks behind. So let's get started. Number 1. Using a hairdryer. One of the most straightforward ways to remove the double-sided tape from all your surfaces is by using a hairdryer. This method works because the hairdryer's heat helps soften the adhesive, making it much easier to peel off. Here's how to do it. Plug in your hairdryer and turn it on to a medium or high setting. Hold the nozzle about 3 to 4 inches away from the tape and let the hot air blow over it, focusing on the edges and corners. After a few minutes, the heat should have softened the adhesive, making it much easier to peel off. Then start picking at one of the corners with your fingernail or a butter knife, and the tape should come off fairly easily. Number 2. Vinegar and water solution. If you've got some particularly stubborn tape that just won't budge, it's time to use a homemade vinegar and water solution. This solution breaks down the adhesive, making it easier to wipe away from almost all surfaces. To make the solution, simply mix 2 cups of water, 1/4 cup of vinegar, and a few drops of liquid soap. Dip a sponge into this solution and scrub the affected area in small circular motions. The vinegar and soap will help break down the adhesive, while the water will rinse away any residue. Number 3. Rubbing alcohol. Rubbing alcohol is another effective option for removing double-sided tape. This method works by dissolving the adhesive without causing damage to most surfaces. Rubbing alcohol can be an effective solution for removing double-sided tape from a variety of surfaces, including glass, plastic, and even fabrics. Start by soaking a clean cloth or paper towel with alcohol and gently rub it onto the tape. Continue rubbing the alcohol until the tape is completely removed, and then wipe the surface clean with a damp cloth to remove any remaining alcohol. Number 4. Using acetone or nail polish. For fabrics, your best bet might be to try using a little bit of acetone or nail polish remover. These solvents are powerful and can help dissolve the adhesive, but they should be used with caution as they can be harsh. Apply a small amount of acetone to a clean cloth and gently dab the cloth onto the tape, being careful not to rub too hard, as this can spread the stain or damage the fabric. Let the acetone sit for a minute or 2 to work on the adhesive, then wipe away the loosened tape with a clean cloth. Rinse the surface with water to remove any remaining solvent. Number 5. Using sharp tools. You can also try using sharp tools, like a butter knife or a scraper, to carefully peel off the tape. This method works best for removing double-sided tape from walls, glass, and other non-delicate surfaces. Slide the edge of the utensil under the tape, being careful not to scratch the surface, and gently lift and peel the tape off, working slowly and carefully. If the tape is stubborn, you can try applying a bit of heat from a hairdryer to help soften the adhesive. Number 6. Using oils. Using oil is a great way to remove double-sided tape from glass, plastic, and other smooth, non-porous surfaces. The oil helps to dissolve the adhesive, making it easier to wipe away. You can use a variety of oils, such as olive oil or baby oil. Simply pour a small amount of the oil directly onto the tape, or apply it to a brush and rub it onto the area. Let the oil sit for a few minutes, then use a clean cloth or paper towel to gently rub and wipe away the loosened tape residue. Removing double-sided tape can be a hassle, but with the right techniques, you can get the job done without leaving any unsightly marks or damage. Try out these different methods and see which one works best for your specific situation and surface. And remember to always test any cleaning solutions or solvents on a small patch first to make sure they won't cause any issues.